How to fix Ubisoft Connect has detected an unrecoverable error. We're gonna recover it. What you need to do is open up your computer search, and first you want to search for Ubisoft Connect. Right click, open file location. Here you want to right click on it again, show more options, properties, compatibility, and then you will check these two options. Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an admin. Click on apply, click on OK. Once you have done this, we can proceed to the second step, which will be opening up our computer search again, searching for run, and here you want to type this percentage local app data percentage. Click on OK, and right here you just want to click on any folder and type U, so you find Ubisoft Game Launcher. Right click on it and you will delete this folder. Once you delete this folder, then the launcher should work properly. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.